Hello everyone and welcome to day 3 of a 15-day series on SQL tricks and traps. Today we are going to take a look at all the wildcards that can be used for pattern recognition in SQL Server with the like keyword. This is especially useful for cleaning messy data, and to make it more fun, there is going to be a SQL riddle towards the end of this video. If you can answer it correctly and all the other SQL riddles from a series, you can win free access to some of our SQL courses. We have created some sample dummy data in a table called sample text. The first wildcard is the %sign, which represents any number of characters of any value. So here we are going to find out the string starting with A using the filter A%. If you need to match only a single character, you need to use underscore as your wildcard. For example, this query will match all the values which have a single character after A. You can define a range or a character set, defining your characters within square brackets. This query will output all the values that start either with an A or an H. Instead of a character set, if you want to define a range, you include a hyphen and define your beginning character and the ending character for the range. This query will output all the values which start with the alphabets in the range A to H. Use the caret sign for a not in match. So if you want to output all the values which do not start with the alphabets in the range A to H, you can use the caret sign. Now what if you want to find a wildcard as a literal character in your value? Then you need to escape it with an escape character like a backward slash in this query. Two other functions which are really helpful are the pattIndex and the charIndex functions. With the pattIndex function, you can specify a pattern using wildcards. It will give you the position in the string where that pattern occurs. For example, this query is going to find 2 consecutive digits occurring in the value. The charIndex function does not allow the use of wildcards, and therefore it can be used to find specific digits. And now that you know all about pattern recognition in SQL Server, it's time for the SQL riddle of the day. If you can solve this riddle, post your answers in the comments, solve all the riddles on all 15 days, and you can get free access to some of our SQL courses. See you in the next video.